We are following some random Georgian dude back to his house because he said we can camp / stay in his house. Our accommodation in Chiatura fell through, so this is where we're going.
Sounds like a plan. Already?
Yeah. That's why I
Did anybody ask for wine? Here are 20 liters.
Like from the actual press, hand press done by the man himself. He took us to a farm. It was literally just like a man and his wife and like their young daughter.
So long story short, our friend takes us out to get some wine. We get to this family's home. They have grapevines everywhere. As soon as we walk in, there's an old school wine press, turns by hand, and then they just offer us some fresh grape juice from the actual wine press. Absolutely delicious. And now they're gonna give us some of their wine from their cellar. I think we've struck in gold.
Oh wow!
It's like the old school way of that.
Viele Wein. 1000, 2000 Liter ist unten ist hier und Wein ist richtig natürlich, weißt du? Wow.
5,000 liters.
1,000 to 2,000, he said.
Oh wow.
Below here. Just below here.
Go Marjos. That's the right one.
Something, I believe.
But the wine was so good. And it's just like, basically they gave us this. It's a euro a liter.
No fucking way.
Can we get like another 10? Like, I'll buy it. Like, and he was just like, no, we gotta get back to the restaurant. We'll get it later tonight.
Like fruits, but I don't know. Maybe it's a vegetable.
On a scale of 1 to wine, how sober are you?
1.5.
How are you feeling?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Pressure! We're all gonna die! Where are we going, Henry?
We are following some random Georgian dude back to his house because he said we can camp / stay in his house. Our accommodation in Chiatura fell through, so this is where we're going.
Sounds like a plan.
It just came off because it broke like just 2 or 3 bits of plastic. I think will be able to.
Oh, I've got some good silicone to stick that back on.
Yes, we are setting up a tent.
Oh yeah, we're gonna set up a tent. A room within a room.
Sign up for the convoy.
How was it, Joe?
Oh, that was fucking awesome. It does so much of the work for you. Like, it's so much easier than I ever possibly.
part of the. I don't know what else. Right.
What's for dinner?
Chili.
Jeez. Come on, mate. Chili can't without the chili.
And then
Real helpful for what he's doing now.
It is for coding.
Okay, well, alright. Anyways.
I will be posting him on the group. We should not tell to the person. Don't tell them that you have them.
And once you have it, make sure no one else knows who you have.
Didn't do that for me.
Did you actually eat it? What the fuck?
She's committing. And sadly, the man down, Henry's actually dead. For all we know, he's not breathing. First aid! We're off to see this insane, gorgeous monastery on top of a pillar. I'm just coming out the other side of a fever. Henry's quite ill, Joe's quite ill. People are pretty tired. We've been wild camping for quite a while now. And whilst it's fun, obviously, you don't always get the best sleep. You know, pros and cons. So we messaged Fabrika, this fantastic hostel in Tbilisi, who have made this massive deal for us and asked if we could come a day early. And they're like, yeah, no problem, go for it. So we're off to go have beds and recover, which is quite nice. The convoy.
Fantastic, thank you very much.
Absolute pleasure.
Sad to be losing you and the pig, but we've got a hitchhiker.
So we're about to go fill up our gas tanks. These are camping gas at LPGs, which they're not supposed to be able to take, but we're gonna make them take it anyway, and it's gonna be terrifying.
Filled our car with LPG, and we were like, we kept asking the guy, like, yeah, is that diesel? It's like, yeah, well, we just like full of LPG.
So it comes out to 8 Larry. It's 3 Larry, well, 3.2 Larry to the euro. So essentially, to fill up both the tanks, it costs about €2 something, €2.50. Let's go 3 euros to be extreme, shall we? So arm and a leg. Thanks camping gas. It costs about what, 30 pounds? You pieces of shit.
Shower was the best shower of my life. So I stood there for like a solid 20 minutes. Just like,
Okay, here we go. There we go.
we're doing our thrift shop challenge. You have to basically pick something as funky as possible for the person you have chosen. So now we're going to go reveal all our outfits to each other. And then we're all...
So there's 2 outfits.
Oh no, Andre! Fuck. Yeah! Go on, Henry, what we got? We have Backyard Bible Club hat. Leopard print top.
the cheeky collar.
Leopard print bottoms.
I mean, they're actually really soft.
Joe, what are we working with?
I have the Stars and Stripes, looking very, very chic, if I do say. The best part, honestly.
It is. Okay. Oh man, nice.
Should I bring it closer?
He's dressed as a fucking leopard, like, it doesn't even matter.
You gotta commit to the outfit. This is called method acting.
Apparently, I look like a farmer.
The double coke. Yeah, the double cap. Double drinks, double cap, double drinks.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Like, not even full leather. Like, they skimped on the leather going up the top. But I do think it makes my butt look pretty good. So.